In healthcare, a malfunctioning device isn't just an inconvenience, it's a clinical emergency. Every delay in repair affects patient care, staff efficiency, and hospital workflows. Service professionals must grasp the real-world impact of their work. Imagine a busy hospital where nurses juggle multiple responsibilities. A device failure disrupts workflows, causing stress and delaying critical procedures. Understanding clinical urgency helps technicians make smarter, faster service decisions. Technical knowledge is crucial, but clear communication is equally important. Use simple language to update clinical teams on repair status and timelines. Acknowledge the urgency and work to minimize disruptions. Nurses and doctors need more than just a fix. They need clear updates and workarounds. Avoid jargon and ensure clinical teams understand the status. Let them know you're working to minimize disruptions. Repairs can take time, but patient care shouldn't be compromised. Explore temporary solutions like loaner devices or alternative workflows. Work closely with clinical teams to ensure seamless patient care. Sometimes parts may be delayed or diagnostics may take longer. Instead of leaving a department without options, find temporary solutions. Collaborate with clinical teams to ensure patient care continues seamlessly. Fixing the issue is just the beginning of building trust. Follow up with clinical staff to ensure equipment is functioning properly. Proactive service strengthens partnerships and enhances care outcomes. A quick follow-up shows you're invested in long-term reliability and care outcomes. Send a brief email or check in person. Is the equipment working properly? Any issues? Proactive service equals stronger hospital partnerships.